Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion Remastered. In this video I'll show you how to get the Magetallow Candles for the enchanting altar and for altar of spell making. In the beginning, let's leave the tower. And next, you want to go to Market District in the Imperial City. Now, go here and to the corner shop, Mystic Emporium. Talk to this lady. Barter with her.
You're wasting your breath. Well done. Don't talk. I like that. What? A waste of...
And now go to bartering.
Only quality goods for sale here. What can I interest
As you can see, this NPC has 2 Magetallow candle boxes.
That's a good deal.
While we are here, we can also buy soul gems.
You're a fine negotiator. An excellent deal. Come back and see me again. Farewell.
Now, let's go back to Crosscrack Spear Tower. And now we can use enchanting and spell making altars. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.